Hello, I'm Philip Stoten for EMSNow. I'm here in Milpitas at Flextronics and I'm joined by Zahid. Zahid, thanks for joining me. We're in this really interesting facility that you built here. It's a confidential centre where customers can come with new products. Tell me a little bit about how the concept developed and what you've actually built here.
So what's your offering we are providing to the new customers, regardless startup or major electronic companies worldwide? They have a concept which they want to bring to this facility. And what they does is they bring the concept over here and we provide their services, which is IP, is a major offerings over here. We have some labs, individual confidential labs. They bring their own equipments. They do the concept evaluation at their level and they use our services. Mm-hmm. The time to market has reduced with that kind of a services because they don't need to go back to the facility where they are.
Right.
We provide that service in-house over here.
Okay.
That's a great benefit.
Yeah, and before you had it here, what would that look like? That would look like prototyping for them and then traveling to a facility perhaps in the Far East or somewhere else?
Yeah, what we learn from these customers that they have a concept, they take it to Asia or Far East or wherever their locations are, connections are. They go and run the prototypes over there, bring back to their facility over here, mm-hmm. and after their few evaluation runs, they go back. So the travel time, evaluation time was massive. Now there's 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And inside, when we are providing the labs, it's 5 minutes in and out the door, right? So it's a great offering for them.
Yeah.
They're satisfied with our IP and the security services. They're happy with our services from the process standpoint. And we deliver time to market.
Yeah, and that's really important. Is the two elements there are the speed, the velocity, and the confidentiality. And I know security is important. We went through a security system where we came in, and you make sure everybody that comes in is under an NDA. But you also allow the customer to have their own space here, behind closed doors that not even Flextronics staff enter.
Yeah. It's a confidential center inside a confidential center. Uh-huh. So what we provide them, that they should not allow or access to any Flex employees. They have their own facility, which is a closed, we call labs.
Yeah.
They bring their own equipments and they do whatever the evaluations and the R&D work they need to do. They don't need to go outside this facility. They don't need to go outside the center even, right?
Yeah.
So this is the way they are working inside this room. It's a great offering for them.
Yeah, it is, absolutely. And quite often when we look at kind of NPI centers at different facilities, they tend to be put together with bits of equipment they've got from here and there, and it's really a line, but it's not a reflection of a true production line. You've really invested in the latest state-of-the-art equipment here. Just talk me through some of the equipment, some of the purchases you've made here, and how important that is to have that when you are doing product introduction.
We did. Flextronics made a great investment in Milpitas facility. We are doing state-of-the-art equipment installation over here, and if you compare the traditional lines with the surface mount, they are way ahead, 3 to 5 years ahead of our technology. With the speed, which we do not offer a speed over here, we offer the new product introduction concept over here. And these equipments, which is just been installed over here, is really busy throughout since we installed. Customer have seen the value of it and a great advantage for them.
Yeah, and you've also got 3D printing here. You've got the very newest 3D printers that's going to have metals. Is that something that really does speed up the prototyping process?
Definitely, yes. With the 3D printing, since we installed, it's really going very busy. The concept the customer is bringing over here is just straightforward process, going from the CAD drawing to the machine, with a process between 4 hours to about 12 hours, depending on the complex of the product. And 3D metal printing, which is coming within the next few weeks. That is another added capability which we are adding, and we are expecting it should be very busy on the tooling, fixtures, and also the product concept.
Okay, and not all these products that manufacture the kind of little tiny gizmos we're used to. Some are big racks and complicated things. You also have the facility to support that through the Milpitas facilities and through the different facilities you have in the valley. Yes.
We have Flex Labs coming up, Design Center coming up, and those are the establishments which we are expecting that will be giving this offering to the customers over here. This is, at the end, we call this a gateway to Flextronics. end-to-end solution, complete supply chain solutions, and the facilities under one roof, which is very rare, second to none in the Valley.
Yeah, and it's your little time machine, isn't it? It's bringing in a back-of-the-napkin concept and getting it to market faster than you could any other way.
The customer doesn't need to go any other facility, any other buildings. They want to come over here, one-stop shop.
Yeah, fantastic. Zahid, thanks for your time.
You're
Good
welcome.
to chat. Always
You're
a
welcome,
pleasure.
Philip.
Thank
So
you.
much.